What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome to another 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, where today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to hold your legacy ropes the right way and get the most out of your workouts and training. So stick around after this intro and we're going to get it as always. Peace.
And I'm like, hello, it's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow. Every day I keep it mellow.
Yes guys, welcome back. So I'm going to get 2 minutes on the clock ready to roll. But before we get into the video, I want to quickly tell you guys a little bit about the legacy rope if you don't know already. Head down to my website, rushathletics.co.uk, and use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. But this rope weighs 400 grams. All the weight is inside this rope. Listen guys, cop it. Trust me, it's going to make your workouts incredibly intense and it will push your body to the limits. Right, so let's get the 2 minutes going. What we're going to talk about today, guys, quickly, is how to hold the legacy rope. So a lot of people have been asking me about rope revolutions and rotations and how I manage to do my tricks and transitions and combinations. And it all comes down to how you guys rotate this rope. I've done a similar video on the money rope, so you can check that video out. But what I'm going to show you here today, guys, is instead of holding your skipping rope out here, which is what most beginners, they like to start skipping out here with their hands to the side. I'm going to change this for you guys. I'm going to start to tell you that you need to start pushing this rope in particular very forward. You're going to feel like you're going to, I guess, rotate the rope forward with your arms. So you're going to like kind of push your wrists forward. As you do this, as you can see, you start to work more your biceps and your shoulders. So Nathan's going to hopefully get some slow motions on this. But the main thing to remember is you're going to come away from doing this, which is all wrist action, and you're going to come to pushing this rope forward. The rope itself has the weight. The rope has all the weight inside it. So you want to feel like you're pushing it forward. You're going to get the maximum burn on your shoulders, on your biceps, on your forearms. When you start to do this with your wrist only, you're going to put a lot of pressure on these wrist joints, which is what we don't want. And the reason why we made this rope so ergonomic, so comfortable to use, is that you don't put any strain on your wrists. All the kind of pressure, the strain goes in your arms, your body, your core. And that's what you're gonna feel like when you're pushing this rope. For grip, guys, instead of what we said in the money rope, which is you put your thumb down the shaft or the handle, you're gonna now hold this like a baseball bat grip. So I usually have all kind of fingers on it. Even when I'm doing tricks, I have the same grip, but the motion, it always stays the same. You push the rope forward, the handles are going forward like this, and also I'm going to get Nathan to sort of step out a little bit in a bit. When you do things like double unders, it's the same forward motion. Rather than doing it from your wrist, you're going to push the rope forward. You just want to feel like you're squeezing the rope kind of in front of you to get the right kind of speed and the revolutions. So guys, I think that's nearly 2 minutes. Really simple tutorial. A lot of people have been asking how I grip this rope, how I hold it. So give it a go, comment down below, let me know if it helped you. And remember, use YouTube 10 for that discount. We've got a ton of colorways, so get involved guys. Please make sure you smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Join the hottest fitness community growing across the world today. Appreciate your love and support. I'm going to see you in that next video. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
My team on, they gon' shine when I shine. You are just not on my level. I keep my foot on the pedal. I set the tone, I don't settle. I can put fear in the devil. You are just not on my level. I keep my foot on the pedal. I set the tone, I don't settle. We can take this outside, outside. Hey. Looking at the stars, staring with my mouth wide.